This question is asked from calculus. It's a 2-mark question. We have to check which of the functions is continuous. For a function to be continuous, the left hand limit should be equal to f of a equal to right hand limit. The left hand limit is given by limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to f of a is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. This is the right hand limit. So if the three values are same, then the function is known as continuous. Now if we take the option C, it's f of x is equal to sin x by x. So in order to check the value is continuous or not at x is equal to 0, the value is straight away given, f of 0 is equal to 1. So f of 0 is given. So now we have to check the left hand limit and right hand limit. Both should be equal. Both left hand limit and right hand limit should be equal, which should be equal to f of 0. If this happens, this function is said to be continuous. So I am considering the left hand limit. I am considering the left hand limit as I am just subtracting the value of h from x. The value of h is subtracted from x, where the value of h is tends to 0, means I am taking the left hand limit. For example, this is x is equal to 0. If I am taking this as x is equal to 0, if I am subtracting small value h from it, where the value of h is so small that it is almost equal to 0, then this is known as the left hand limit. So such value, if I am considering left hand limit h tends to 0 sin x minus h by x minus h at x is equal to 0. If you keep x is equal to 0, then sin of minus h by minus h limit h tends to 0. So this will be limit h tends to 0 minus sin h by minus h. So which value is equal to 1. Now if I am taking the right hand limit, if I am considering the right hand limit, what I am doing here is I am taking a small value h. I am just adding a small value of h to the value of x is equal to 0. This is taken as right hand limit. So limit h tends to 0 sin of x plus h by x plus h, where h is a value which is positive and value tends to 0. So now if you put at x is equal to 0, then it is sin h by h. Now limit h tends to 0 sin h by h, the value is equal to 1, because left hand limit is equal to 1 is equal to right hand limit. This function f of x is continuous. Similarly, you have to check for the other functions which are present in a, b and d. These functions are not continuous if you check. So the answer is option C.